Today I'll be picking out a pack, this lovely little Master Lock 312D. Because why not add another disappointment to the pile? Who knows? Maybe this one will give me some more challenge. I honestly just bought it because it was blue. And I like blue. And to spice it up slightly anyway, I'm going to be using a unfortunately shortened but homemade double hump wannabe double McTickler, I guess. Seems so. They have not released, or at least as the making of this video, have not released the Apex picks from Covert Instruments yet. This is not supposed to be that hard. Don't make me grab a real pick. Unfortunate that I tacoed the back of this. You will, aren't you? Alright, that's fine. Let's grab a random Jimmy Longs here. Looks like a medium round. Yep, well. There you go. Do you get a pick that works? Oh, there's a 15th thou too. Also, shout out to Echelons, or Delta 44, for putting these files out. Simple, but thank you. Thanks for watching.